Analysis of Langston Hughes' poem A Dream Deferred, written in 1951. A Dream Deferred. What happened to a dream deferred? Does it dry up like a raisin in the sun, or fester like a sore and then run? Does it stink like rotten meat, or crush and sugar over like a syrupy sweet? Maybe it just sag like a heavy load, or does it explode? James Mercer Langston Hughes, best known as Langston Hughes, is the writer of the poem. He was an American poet who died in 1967 as 65-year-old. He was an active poet during the Harlem Renaissance. The poem is about the dream that always gets postponed, the dream of an equal America where black and white people had the same right, which at that time seemed so far away. The poem expresses the feeling most African Americans had at this time, that the dream wasn't very realistic and at some points unreachable.
Langston Hughes' use of similes illustrates the inability to express the emotion that an African American must feel as a result of the dream. Here are some examples. Like a raisin in the sun. Like a sore. Like rotten meat. Like a syrupy sweet. Like a heavy load. All through, he attempts to convey this frustration. He realizes that each simile still does not fully express the intensity of this emotion. He seems to be talking around the subject, almost as if he keeps circling around this elusive issue that cannot be expressed. He presents one simile after another, hoping finally to find the right words. Is a dream like this? Is it like that? Or maybe it's like this. However, Langston Hughes also conveys the sense that there are no right words to express this depression.
The closest he comes to an answer is when he makes an assertion rather than asking a question. Maybe it just sags like a heavy load. By phrasing the sentence in the form of a statement, Langston suggests that the one sure characteristic of a dream deferred is the weight it's placed on the dreamer. While each of the other images is posted in the form of a question, this image is stated with more confidence. He uses the word explode. When these loads are extended, explosion can be possible. Langston rhetorically suggests that the dreams will explode and destroy all the limitation imposed to black people.
The message of this text is when a dream is postponed or delayed, it brings frustration. In this case, it's about the African American's dream, the dream for freedom, equality, dignity, and opportunity. That is why they are frustrated, because their dreams are postponed and delayed as usually.